Hey guys, Elora the Pond back today with a brand new video, and today I am going to be cleaning the fish's pond. So first we're going to walk over and get into our shed and grab our new net from Petco, and it was only $4 and it's in the fish aisle. So we're going to get into our shed and we're going to grab our fish net. Here we have it, and it's from Petco. So before we shut the shed, I'm going to grab a container, any container that you can put the algae in or the icky mucky stuff. So let's walk over. We have our net with us. And you're just gonna, oh, there's the fish right now. So you're just gonna grab the bucket, right? And yeah, you're gonna get all of that icky stuff on the sides. Right there. So now let's get started. First, you have your net, and then you have your open bucket, right like that. And you just gently scrape the sides, since this is actually, it's just very, very thin, so you don't want to rub it against the sides too much. So let's start cleaning. You gently put it in, gently scrape the sides, and then all that ickiness comes out, and then you just put that in there. And now, and you will see the results. So here's what I got out of the pond. It's really hard to get all the stuff out, but that is good enough. And it actually looks way better on the sides. It's not as mucky. And then there's pearl down there, I think. Yep, that's pearl. And yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and bye. See you guys later. Thank you for watching.